Beautiful large one bedroom in Flushing. This entrance. On the left is a coat closet, big closet. It's the living room, L-shaped living room. Lots of light during the day. Huge closet here. This could be the dining area for the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. A lot of cabinets, a lot of corner space. Comes with dishwasher. Windows in the kitchen. More cabinets. The linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. A large bedroom. You fit a king size or queen size bed. It's got two closets. One here. Another one here. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building. Near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. 1 block from the 7 train. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. And please don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.